Rosa.
You are under oath.
Yes.
You do not make up stories here.
I'm not
Madali kang
making up
mahuli dito.
stories, sir.
Kaya nga, bakit nag-iisip ka nga? Oh, ang tagal mo mag-isip. Simple question coming from Senator Joel Villanueva o ni si Senator Jingo Estrada. Anong papel mo doon? Bakit ka pumunta ng Indonesia para kausapin si Go Huaping? Anong papel mo? Sige.
Madam Chair,
You convince us.
Senator Sherwin.
this has no connection to your case.
Yeah.
Kaya pag hindi ka sasagot,
Mm-mm.
you can be cited in contempt.
At saka, who told you that Go Huaping was in Indonesia? Eh nung panahong
Oo nga.
yun, sinasabi pa ng PNP na at ng law enforcement in general na hindi pa nila alam noon na umalis si Go Huaping. So, paano mo alam na nandun pala siya sa Indonesia?
Actually, Your Honor, that happened after your announcement.
So,